SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off automatic time on iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you've never changed the time settings on your iPhone, then it's likely that your phone is set to automatically update the time based on Apple's servers. But if this is causing you problems and you would like to manually adjust your time, then you can do so by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the General option from this menu. Then you can scroll down again and choose Date and Time. Now you just need to turn off the Set Automatically option, and now you're going to be able to manually change the date, time, or time zone. Note that you may not be able to turn off the Set Automatically option if screen time is currently set up on your phone, or if your device is managed by a school, business, or organization. Additionally, if you change the time or date on your phone, then you may encounter trouble accessing certain apps or websites on your device. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.